Everyone would enjoy camping if they only knew how. Taking the time to really research camping can ensure you have a successful trip outdoors. There is a bit more to this form of recreation than taking a tent and starting a fire. This video will give you a good deal of information that you can take with you on your next trip. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the blood stream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. Those big, colorful plastic storage bins make excellent places to store and organize all of your camping gear. While at home, keep it in a closet or the garage, and right before you leave for your camping trip, pop it in the trunk. It should keep everything airtight, dry and easily accessible. While you have this vision of a fun-filled camping trip, many times scrapes and cuts just seem to come with all that fun. Be sure you take a first aid kit with you into nature because accidents just happen, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Hopefully, it will stay packed safely away, but you will have the peace of mind that you are prepared if something does happen. Consider taking a CPR and first aid class. This is especially important if young children are traveling with you. Accidents happen, and taking the right precautions will ensure you know how to better a poor situation. Never forget to research. Know about any poisonous snakes and spiders in the area, and learn what animals live there. As you can see, there are plenty of things you need to remember for your next camping trip. Many things will play a factor in your safety and the overall enjoyment of the experience. Use what you have read from this video, and you will have a better camping experience next time you go outdoors. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.